Most people don't struggle with money because they're bad at math. Let's be real. The problem isn't subtraction or percentages. The real problem is that most of us don't have a plan. And when you don't have a plan, money slips away before you even realize it. Now, I know, creating a financial plan can feel overwhelming. There's so much noise online. Everyone has a different strategy to get rich. Some tell you to invest in crypto, others say cut all expenses, and some say just work harder. But the truth is, most Americans don't need complicated strategies. What we need is a simple step-by-step plan that actually works in real life. That's why I made this video. Today, I'm going to give you a 90-day reset plan. Yes, just 3 months to completely transform your finances. By the end of this video, you'll have a proven system to manage your money, grow your savings, and start building real wealth. We're going to cover how to budget like a pro without feeling restricted, where to invest first if you're just starting out, smart ways to save on the biggest expenses in your life, and most importantly, how to finally take control of your money. Sounds good? Let's dive in. Week 1. Get real with your numbers. Before you fix your money, you need to know where it's going. Every successful business in America, from McDonald's to Amazon, knows exactly how much money comes in, their revenue, and how much goes out, their expenses. Why should your personal finances be any different? In week 1, I want you to pull up your last 3 months of statements, bank accounts, credit cards, loan payments, everything. Then put them into 3 categories: fixed expenses, rent, utilities, car payments, insurance, groceries; discretionary expenses, eating out, shopping, Netflix, vacations; debt payments, credit cards, student loans, personal loans. When you see the numbers in black and white, you'll be shocked. The average American household spends over $3,600 per month, and most don't even know where half of it goes. Maybe it's too much Uber or subscriptions you forgot to cancel. This exercise will show you your net profit, basically what's left after bills. And trust me, this simple step alone can change your perspective. Week 2. Cut the fat. Now that you know where the money goes, it's time to cut out the waste. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to live on rice and beans. Start by sorting your expenses from largest to smallest. Then ask, can I realistically cut 10 to 30% from this category? For example, spending $200 on Ubers? Try walking or using public transport. Save $100+ a month. Paying $750 on car insurance plus payment? Compare quotes. Most Americans can save $50 to $100 just by switching providers. Eating out 3 times a week? Cut it to 2 times and save $80 to $100 a month. Subscriptions you barely use? Cancel them. There's $20 to $50 right there. If you cut just $400 a month, that's $4,800 a year, enough for a vacation to Europe, or better yet, a full Roth IRA contribution. Week 3. Automate your money. Here's the secret that changed my life. Automation. Set up a high-yield savings account. As of 2025, top high SAs pay between 4.3 and 5% APY. That's free money for doing nothing. Now, every time you get paid, automatically move at least 10% of your paycheck into savings and investments. For example, if you make $4,000 a month, $400 should move automatically before you can touch it. This is how you pay yourself first. Just like a 401k at work, you don't even notice it's gone, but your future self will thank you. Week 4. Crush your debt. The average American carries $7,300 in credit card debt, and with APRs over 21%, that debt is like a fire spreading in your finances. Use this week to list every debt, balance, and interest rate. Call your credit card company. Yes, really call them and ask for a lower rate. Many will drop it just because you asked. Add an extra $50 to $100 to your monthly payment. On a $2,500 balance, that could save you 8 months of payments and hundreds in interest. Debt payoff is instant return. There's no investment that beats paying off 21% interest. Week 5. Build your emergency fund. Did you know 59% of Americans couldn't handle a $1,000 emergency expense? That's scary. So in week 5, your goal is simple. Get $1,000 in savings. sell unused stuff on Facebook Marketplace, pick up a side hustle, or redirect the money you cut in week 2. Once you hit $1,000, your next goal is 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's real financial security. Week 6. Start investing. Now that you're saving, it's time to grow. History shows that over the last 100 years, stocks have averaged 8 to 10% annual returns, better than gold, real estate, or bonds. Start simple. Open a brokerage account and buy an S&P 500 ETF. This gives you ownership in the top 500 US companies. Think Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all in one. Invest $500 a month, and in 30 years at 8% returns, you'll have over $745,000. Double it to $1,000, and you're looking at $1.49 million. Week 7. Grow your income. Cutting expenses has limits, but income? That's unlimited. Here are 3 ways to grow fast. Ask for a raise. If it's been 2+ years, inflation already cut your paycheck. Don't be shy. Side hustles. From DoorDash to freelancing, the average side hustle adds $483 per month in the US. Learn a high-income skill. Coding, video editing, sales, and design can all boost you into the 6-figure club. Remember, you can't save your way to wealth. You need to earn more too. Weeks 8 through 12. Staying consistent. Week 8. Write down your savings goals. Studies show writing goals makes you 42% more likely to hit them. Week 9. Master credit cards. Only if you can pay in full. Otherwise, avoid them. Week 10. Track your net worth monthly. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. Week 11. Review your spending again. Fix leaks. Stay accountable. Week 12. Set stretch goals. 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. Maybe it's a house, a business, or even early retirement. Look, this 90-day reset isn't easy, but it's absolutely worth it. In just 3 months, you'll have a clear budget, debt under control, savings started, investments growing, and, most importantly, a roadmap to financial freedom. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built with consistency, discipline, and a plan. So tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you're going to do this week to transform your finances? And if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to Finance with Imran for more guides on financial planning, investing, and money management.